Hi guys, today I'm here to just give an intro to our next project, which is an internet connected motion sensor which will give notification in our phone whenever the motion is detected. As you can see here, I have connected a PIR motion sensor to an ESP826601. Now our sensor is calibrating. I have given a 30 seconds delay for calibration. Okay, now our calibration has been completed. Now it's just I'm making a motion. Okay, now we have received a notification in our phone from IFTTT motion detector. Actually, there will be two notifications on the starting and the ending of the motion. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to get notified when the complete project is uploaded.